Good evening, everyone. My name is Susan, and I just want to tell you something funny. Years ago, I had a nightmare, and because of the nightmare, I was screaming in my sleep. But as I was screaming in my sleep, I heard someone screaming just as loud as me. When I woke up, I saw my husband also sitting up straight in bed screaming just as loud as me. But I didn't want to wake him, so I just left him and he went back to sleep. So the next morning I woke up and he'd already left for work. But my neighbor called me and she asked me, "Susan, did you hear all that screaming last night?" So I started laughing and I told her that it was me screaming. But that evening my husband came home and I told him, "Look, I know why I was screaming. I had a nightmare, but why were you screaming?" He says, "I don't know. I just screamed myself awake." So it was just funny. I just wanted to share it with you. Have any of you had an experience like that before? Please tell us. We would like to know your story. Thank you, Susan.
Once there was this kid who got into an accident and couldn't come to school. But when he finally came back, his hair had turned from black into bright white. He said that it was from when the cars had smashed his soul.